where saying goodbye to the golden arches doesn't mean saying goodbye to big burgers. They may have packed up their fries and gone home, but the food scene here, it's still hot. So McDonald's is out, and here we have Vkusno и Tochka. See what's new, what's different, and what just might feel a little familiar, starting with the not so Big Mac. Alright, so far, not bad. It's like the Big Mac left, but it forgot to take the sauce recipe with it. This sauce tastes, well, almost too familiar. Coincidence? I think not. Let's be honest. What's fast food without something spicy and finger-licking? Crispy outside, spicy kick, and a sauce that doesn't mess around. It's like your favorite game night wings, just without that familiar clown in the corner. Next up, crumbed fish fingers. Not what you'd expect from a burger chain, but hey, who doesn't love a curveball? They look suspiciously familiar, like someone took a fillet of fish and thought, let's make it bite-sized and crunchy. Bold move? Definitely. Shrimp wrap, because why not throw a beach party in a tortilla? Fresh, crispy, and packed with shrimp. Burgers are cool, but this wrap, total seafood sidekick vibes. Now into the wedges, because what's a burger without a salty sidekick? Right? Crunchy, golden, and they come with a tangy little dip. And of course, what would a fast food experience be without dessert? Russia's new chain has kept it classic. Cones, pies, the whole shebang. It's like a culinary deja vu. The new name might sound a little on the nose, but the Russians have wasted no time reinventing the burger wheel. And there's two translations. One translation is tasty, period. Well, that sounds a bit weird. I'm just gonna give you the second translation, which is tasty, and that's it. Sounds much better. So there you have it. This new spot's filling the fast food gap and adding a little twist to the menu. From burgers to shrimp wraps, they've got it all. And if you're a fan of fast food, it's worth a taste. Like discovering new bites? Hit subscribe, because fast food's only getting more surprising. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.